Okay, so Common Sense will be a overview of all the different types of business models that you can get, from ethical versus exploitive. So this will cover the recruitment business model, corporate business models, as well as other new issues we found within platform businesses, specifically businesses that focus more on, it might be doing well on a customer and a business level, but from a client-facing service provider level, it's generally more exploitive. So this will cover those kind of businesses so that you can have a view of what is a good business versus what is exploitive. Artificial intelligence will cover various tools and techniques to use AI tools, specifically for AI art generation. A lot of people think that this that AI art doesn't count as art and doesn't classify as art, but we'll go through why it can be considered art and how to actually make something that is unique. DALL-E and Midjourney and a few other tools that are out there have explained that it is possible for you to create something that could be, that it is possible for more than one person to create something that looks the same, especially if the prompts are exactly the same. So the key is to create something that doesn't infringe on anybody else's rights. So for example, if you're going to specifically mention a specific artist's name, then obviously you're going to create something that looks like their work. Yeah, so this is just an overview of art and different things that you can make using these tools. Ecological is a series of projects that specifically focuses on anything that can help or create a better environment for all of us. This covers everything from our pollution, the way we, how we get our food, how we look after our spaces around us, as well as issues around recycling. You'll notice that we, over the last couple of years, when it comes to the recycling process, as well as the lack of care for people in our society, you'll notice that we have more people living on the streets than we ever did before. Nobody is looking after anybody in any kind of shelters. Some people are complaining that shelters are just not safe at all. There are other problems that are created by what's supposed to be helpful and job creation, like recycling, but the process itself is not being done properly, which causes further problems. So this will be a showcase of all those different research projects. Afrofuturists will cover all my favorite topics. This will be everything about the future. So what kind of world do we hope to live in? What kind of schools do we imagine? How will work actually look in the future? Just future anything. So fun, future, fantastical, all the good stuff.